Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dominoes Seven here. All right, welcome y'all to this live stream, Facebook live stream at that. You know, the water's receded around here. Well, some parts of the area, it was kind of flooded over here and stuff like that. But the people working hard to recede the waters and stuff. Oh, water down here. Okay. Yeah, but it's way flooded over there across Orleans. You see? Yep. So here we go. Y'all think I should walk through this? Nah, I don't think so. Showing y'all what the hell is going on. I might as well go around. And y'all know if y'all watch my previous videos and stuff like that, y'all know I walk down the street during Mardi Gras season. Do y'all think I should try to jump over this over this water? Is this a long jump or what? This a long jump? Or and you know that the sun trying to come out, you know, or the sun trying. Well, I might as well go around here, you know. Megan Key was somewhere around here, so anyway, I have to dress decently, you know. So just in case one of them catch me on the news. And the problem is I don't have no haircut, you know. So I need to make sure they don't see me, you know. Let's go walk around here and show y'all what the hell is up. Okay. All right, so as we walk around here, maybe I should have walked on the neutral ground, huh? Yeah, I should have walked on the neutral ground. Some asshole would drive so heavily and splash water on me for some reason, huh? So now it splash water on me, splash water on anybody that's walking, huh? Oh shit! Excuse me. Excuse my language. Well, it was that thing right there. You see? So I'm just gonna walk on the neutral ground. You know? There's some people walking too. You know? Huh? It's flooded way down Galvez, you know? Yes, indeed. Yeah, and the water stuff's starting to recede a little bit. I don't know if I'll be able to put this on YouTube. So it's flooded down the street. I think Paul Dudley down the street. He said he on Orleans and Broad. That person making a huge U-turn. Wrong U-turn at that. Look how flooded it is over there. Y'all see? Extreme flood. So many cars is turning around. Some people and there's a bus passing, you know. Look, it was flooded big down here. Look at all that water over there. Oh, and so some other people driving through. Y'all see? Now that's a bad idea to splash to drive out like that. And splashing on other people's cars. And here's a bus right here that's coming. That's the Galvez bus. Oh, that's a smart driver though. Let me step back. You know. All right. So hello. All right. Oh, the driver was asking if I was gonna catch the bus. I'm just reporting. You know, I don't I don't think I should show the driver face on the bus on my show. Okay, so all I'm doing is reporting everything, and let's see. And look how flooded it is. This is my first time standing on this in the middle. You know, y'all see that? It's the water slowly going down, but it's still flooded. Soldier and water boy doing all they can to get the water receded. Oh, and that stove over there, you know. Yeah, so some people turning around. Oh, the sun is shining, you know. So I had to dress nice as I could in a nice shirt and everything. If I'm going to report something, you know. All right, so take one look at this. You see? Well, should we go walk down that street? I guess not. So, long as I'm just doing this a little bit at a time, one day at a time. I'm just gonna walk around. I'm just gonna walk around and go see what's up. You know, a home far away from home. Not gonna do Instagram Live. You know, your Instagram Live, then y'all don't know. Okay. Yep. So about the. I'm supposed to be wearing a mask when I'm out here, you know. So let's go around and around we go. Where will I go? Nobody knows, huh? So let's see if this street around here flooded. Well, it was flooded. Is it flooded? Let's see if it's flooded. Huh. There's some people out here though. I'll put the camera on the streets if possible. Okay. So let's see how flooded it is around here. Okay. All right. So how y'all doing? Oh yeah, I'm just I'm just doing a report on YouTube and Facebook Live. I'm not gonna put y'all on. All right. There's some neighbors around here. Oh, look how flooded it is around here. Yep. Going all over, huh, y'all? So I'm not gonna. I ain't gonna put the neighbors on though. I better keep my mouth closed on who I see or what I see or whatever. But and report on my job. This an unexpected assignment, you know. All right. So I should be getting ratings for this, you know. Never mind what's in there. I should be getting ratings on this one. Well, this video ain't gonna go viral though. Huh. Well, I wish it would go viral. Huh. All right. Reporting for YouTube, Facebook Live, eventually to YouTube. It looked like the water is going down as little as possible. Y'all see that? I know y'all looking at that. I would step up here. But y'all look down here, down Orleans. And look over there across the street. It's flooded. I'm on North Johnston and Orleans. Okay. If y'all can see what the hell is going on, you know. All right, so we gonna walk down here. Hmm. Yes, indeed, bro. Well, I don't have no enemies, though. It's not like somebody to find me or do me something, you know. Because I ain't do nobody nothing. Because I know y'all seeing Facebook Live videos when people doing Facebook Live videos get shot. But that shouldn't happen to me because I ain't do nothing wrong, you know, to anybody, you know. Okay. So so this will eventually be on YouTube whenever, you know. So all I know is Sewage and Water Board is doing whatever they got to do. And a Sewage and Water Board truck just passed, you know. So after doing this Facebook Live video by Ryan House and and my cousin Raven's graduation and stuff like that, I would go around there and see if they flooded or not. But the buses is still passing, you know. The buses is higher level, you know. They higher level, so they're not lower cars like cars are. Huh. Yes, indeed. So all right, I already filmed that earlier. So so I assume. Oh yeah, look like the water went down over there now. You know. Well, I guess I don't have to do no more. I'm gonna go inside and take a shower. Uh huh. Yep. We'll take a little shower. Yep. Take a little shower. And that's it. All right. Oh, so this is the Dominoes 7 report, I think. Well, I will say special report. I wonder if WDSU is doing a report, or WVUE, Fox 8, or should I say WWL CBS 4, you know, WWL CBS 4, yep, that's right, WDSU NBC, yep, WVUE used to be ABC, changed it to Fox. Yep. WGNO was independent a long time ago. You know? Huh. So guess I'm gonna stop this tape right now. I stop this live stream, I mean. Alright. So thank y'all for watching, alright? Bye.